Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error code 0x800700CE, the file name or extension is too long, then please watch this video. Now here's the thing. Since you will not be able to change the name through File Explorer and there is no way out, just like a stalemate in a game of chess, here's what you can do. We have a command called ren, which is for rename. So ren space the path of the file space the new name. Okay, so I'll show you how this is to be done. Let us say that I wish to rename this file. Okay, so I'll press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window, and I'll clear the field. Then I will pull the path to run so that I can get the path. Anything between the two apostrophes is the path of the file. Okay, so I'll type rename space path of the file space its new name. I'll name it let's say test. Then I will copy this command. I will search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. I'll click on run as administrator. I'll paste this here and I'll hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.